So guys, I'm doing this challenge sponsored by Ikea, where I'll be eating my lunch in Ikea every day for a month, maybe even the whole food throughout the day in Ikea. So today is the day 2. Okay, today will be quite a challenging because I think I might have over-ordered. I'll probably chill out over the next couple of days. Day number 2 of eating IKEA food for 30 days on. Thank you IKEA for sponsoring this video, wearing these cool IKEA glasses, IKEA light glasses. These double hot dogs are only $1.70. How are you liking it? Do you like it? Elderflower today, of course. Stupid thing. Today meatballs look even nicer than yesterday. Okay, let's try the meatballs. The mash reminds me of mash that I had as a child. Really nice. This one is tough. Well, it's London after all, right? Oh, almost finished. Once again, thank you very much IKEA for sponsoring this video. It was amazing, I loved it. I am full as Eureka is almost happy, also happy I said, and see you tomorrow.